Hey, it's Braden from Mad Dog Cycles, and today I want to talk to you guys about our bronze service package, what it is, why you should consider it, and when you should bring your bike in to get serviced. All right, so the major points with the bronze service package is that when we take your bike in, we'll go through and we'll look at all the places that are susceptible to wear. So pivot bearings, hub bearings, bottom bracket, anything like that, brake pads. We'll make sure that everything's in good condition and see if anything needs to be replaced. We also will wash your bike. We'll spray it down, clean it off, make sure if you've got suspension, those look all clean. We'll also take your wheels off, clean those and true them up. We'll go through and adjust shifting and brakes, anything else that needs to be adjusted like that. It also includes any hub adjustments. So if you've got cup and cone hubs, we can adjust those for you. For full suspension bikes, we'll check all the pivot hardware and any bolts on your bike, make sure that they're torqued to spec. And then after we're all done with that, we'll lube up your drivetrain, make sure everything's working well there. And then we test ride it and do a QC to make sure that it's all good when it comes to you. Additionally, we have mountain bike packages that include brake bleeds and tubeless recharges for mountain bikes. So why should you consider a bronze service package? So a major reason that you should do the bronze service package is that it gives you a good report of how your bike is doing overall. It just makes sure that you don't ever run into a problem where you have your brake pads wearing out or have something go wrong, and it just makes it a lot easier for you to stay on top of the maintenance with your bike. By doing the bronze service package, it's a great way to make sure that your bike is safe to ride. We're pretty experienced and we know what makes a bike safe and what doesn't. So if you bring it in, we can definitely identify any problems with your bike that could lead to you getting hurt or things like that. The last reason to consider doing the bronze service package is that your bike gets ridden really hard a lot of the time, and especially with mountain bikes and hydraulic brakes, the fluid can degrade over time and your braking performance can decrease by a lot. And so by doing this, it helps keep your brakes working in good condition, and it also makes sure that your tires don't end up going flat on you when you're trying to go out for a ride. So how often should you consider getting a bronze service package? Generally, we recommend doing a bronze service about every 50 hours or so. If you have any questions about how to track your riding hours, just follow the blog post in the description. So if you aren't sure what service package you need, feel free to bring your bike in. We can do our multi-point inspection and get you taken care of. If you guys have any other questions, just leave them in the comments down below and we'll cover them in future videos. And we'll see you soon.